Hello mountain riders, it is November 1st and Jackie and I are out in Fontana, North Carolina, and we're going to go up and pay a visit to the Fontana Dam and then take a look and see what's going on with the leaf color in this area.
Looking forward to riding down to the dam. Wonder if it's running high or not.
We'll find out. So there are two entrances to the dam, one at the bottom, one at the top, and we're going to go over and go to the bottom of the dam first. Road closed. Huh. I guess we're not going to the bottom of the dam, huh? Well, that kind of bites. Well, I don't know what happened there. That kind of ruins that side of the experience, doesn't it? You can go left there. Maybe we can go back and go down that road and see it from the other side. See if we can find a spot to turn around. With the road to the powerhouse closed, maybe we can get a view from this side instead. Ah, there it is. Normally you can pull up over by the right by the powerhouse there and be right below the dam, which is pretty impressive. Jackie doesn't give a damn about seeing the dam.
So from here we're headed back up out towards Fontana Village and onto the dam. There's a nice little visitor center there, so we're going to go check it out.
So there's a really good view from up on the overlook at the top of the dam. Shows you just how high it is. In fact, it is the highest dam in the eastern United States, 480 feet high. And they started building this dam in 1942, and it was built for power generation during World War II. And it only took them 18 months to complete it. We're looking out across Fontana Lake, and that is Great Smoky Mountains National Park on the far side over there. So these spillways, there are two of them here at the top of the dam. And they're closed right now. They're used to release water when it gets too full. So it is a totally awesome sight when these spillways are open. The water shoots down these ramps to the bottom. It reaches about 95 miles an hour when it hits the bottom. So much so that they had to build ramps to make sure that it didn't cause excessive erosion down there. And then the water shoots about 150 feet up into the air. It almost hits the other side of the river about 400 feet downstream. It is really awesome. If you're up here to ride the Dragon or in this area and you hear that the spillways are open, come and see it. It is really impressive.
What's also cool is you can ride across the top of the dam and get some really nice views from up here. And a little trick about these speed bumps, just zip through the gap in the middle.
So now we're going to take a little ride down North Carolina 28 to show you what the leaf color looks like in the area and give you an idea how things are on November 1st.
So leaving the dam, we're headed south on North Carolina 28. This is a great and famous stretch of the road. This is the start of a ride that is currently known as the Moonshiner, which is the entirety of North Carolina 28 leading down into South Carolina. Though I prefer the old name for just this section of the road, which was the Hellbender. And it runs along the shore of the lake, though you don't get very many good views of the lake except from a few choice overlooks. And this will give you an idea of what the leaves look like down here at this level.
So that's what you can expect on your visit to the Fontana Dam and the current state of the leaf color here on North Carolina 28. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a nice thumbs up down in the bottom right hand corner on the YouTube channel there. Please give us a subscription and share with a friend. See you next episode.